Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this wig from Love Me Hair. So let's unbox this together. The wig came like this. You can see, ooh, the packaging is bomb. So there's this card. You can scan this. It will take you direct to their website, and that is the hair. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a hair brush. This is wig brush. This is fantastic. Thank you so much, Love Me Hair. All these goodies you're seeing right here. Wow, that's great. And that is the hair, guys. Look at the hairline. It's so gorgeous. Look at the hairline, is beautiful. And that's the wig. This is Teddy Miss brand shortcut coily minimized HD lace glueless side part wig. Is 100% human hair. Just look at that line. That hairline is bomb. This is the hairline you're seeing right here in my hand. You can see the knot came bleached, so you don't need to do that, gorgeous, because the knot is bleached, and that is the construction of the inside. So look at the lace. Look at the lace, okay? It's C-cut. The hair came like that, which means you don't need to do that. They've done it for you, which makes it easier, and it came with elastic band. This is inbuilt, and also there at the back there are some combs and inbuilt adjustable strap as well. Okay, let's dash into the installation. Just look at the hair on my head. How gorgeous is this color? Ooh, you see that C-cut? You see that? You don't need to do that. So you see, it is bomb. It is bomb. Wow, I really love it. So let's just install this wig. Talk about the color, talk about the coils. Wow, it's great. So gorgeous, in case if you're wondering, yes, the direct link will be on the description box as usual. Let's do the cutting. We're going to cut off the excess lace from it. I use these zigzag scissors. I said let me use the scissors, but the scissors is giving me headache. You can see it cannot even cut the lace. I don't know, this scissors is not sharp at all. I went to my old scissors. I said let me not stress myself. I just use that, and you see it is done. It is done. So as I was saying, in case if you need this hair, just dash the description box, sorry, the direct link that will take you directly to the website to get this wig. I will leave it on the description box, and the link to their website, everything about the wig will be on the description box. So I added some mousse, yes, hair mousse, just to take the hair backward, style the hair. I just brushed there. One thing I like about this hair, you just pop it on and you're good to go. You don't need to do much with this hair. Just put your water, or you put your cream, or you put your hair mousse. The hair is going to it's going to show you I am here, okay? And the color, guys, I love the mist color, the brown, and is it reddish? I don't know. They said it's Miss whatever, okay? It's Miss whatever. It is Miss brand short coil, okay? So I use my hot comb just to do some necessary doing, okay? And that is it. Gorgeous. If you like it here, before you go, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. So that is it. I will leave you guys to watch the rest, and I will see you guys in my next one.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center center of the crowd, you're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that, what glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that, what glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody, be ooh, 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 ooh. I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Heart. No little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, cause I don't care.
So guys, that is it for this week from Love Me Hair. I'm going to leave all details on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. The hair is so gorgeous. I did not glue it down. Okay, I love the coils, I love the color for this summer. You can never go wrong with this. It's so beautiful. Okay, all right guys, all link will be on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out.